So you guys heard of X Games mode? This is Forza mode. You open the whole car up.
Yeah, let me get out the picture.
No, that's alright. It's like Dead Rising, you add points the more things that are in the shot.
Oh yeah.
Dead Rising is an old game, so if you guys don't know the reference, that's alright. Got the valves open, you can hear it. If you're wondering what the trunk space is like, it's huge. And you could put the 2 seats down, the whole bench actually, you could put it all down. You could fit 4 tires in this car, no problem. The 0 to 60 is 3 seconds or less, I'm pretty sure. Fam, what's good? I left my freaking gym bottle in the grocery store, so I'm gonna get it real quick. Hopefully it's still there. I definitely think I left it. Local Kroger here. What do you guys think, Kroger or Publix in the South for the best deals? Oh boy, this car is coming in hot. I of course have to get out, get my bottle real quick. Wait for this guy to pass. Normally I'd have some anxiety to go back, but now after filming so much, I don't really.
Thank you. Have a good day. You got everything?
Haha, right. This should be funny. I've been going into gas stations, the taco spot, Kroger. The whole POV thing I think is so funny. It doesn't just have to be driving. Now we can get on our way. I actually have to reverse because of the speed bumps. Boy. Bumpy. Been enjoying the ride with, at this temperature, stiffer settings. Let's go into setup here. That chassis to Sport Plus. chill. So port injection might be something that I have to look at now to run full ethanol all the time, guys. It's happening at like E67 right now. So the next thing to test is actually to bring the ethanol down to E50 and start blending in some 93. I have MHD on my iPad, so I can pull that up and actually see what the ethanol percentage is. Really enjoying the stiffer settings right now to get as much traction as possible. In the softer settings, it's easier to slide the rear. And we are in rear wheel drive. Pure traction there. Tires are hot too. The rear left is still pretty cold apparently, but I think it's just a delayed reading. Go wide open throttle for the car to take fourth gear and rev up to the red line. That's okay, you don't have to drive at wide open throttle. You can really chill and bring it down. A member of the Discord today make 19K. I think he turned 2K into 19K. So I don't really have to say much else, you know. Imagine turning $2,000 into $19,000 in one day. That's on the short-term options trading. And the Discord is $29.99 a month. Those who got in early have that $9.99 pricing. Now it's $29.99, and I'm telling you, imagine taking $2,000 and turning it into $19,000, you know, the same day. Link is in the description for the Discord. Yeah, the car just wants to be thrown around. And if you're not fully on the throttle, you can control the body roll and how you pivot into turns. The middle lane here sucks really bad, so I mean, it would be nice to go through, but not willing to hit that middle lane in the stiffest settings on the suspension. That was fourth gear without any breakup. This is all rear wheel drive. Holding back on fourth gear just a little bit. Let's go into all-wheel drive. Still not wide open throttle, but felt good. Ceramic brakes, I'm telling you guys. If you haven't driven a car with them and without them, there's a huge difference. 5 Sport are more intense. That's what I've definitely noticed. Sounds absolutely nuts. Let's go into rear wheel drive, guys. Now this is an interesting trailer that I've never seen before. It almost looks like a little house. Got a truck towing like a mini cabin, maybe even a shed. But the door to the shed, it looks literally like a gym locker. It's hilarious. You guys see this right here? You guys asked for it, all these outside requests. What does the car look like on the outside? Show the outside. Here it is. It looks good. It's dirty. Look Looks pretty good though. And if you guys are wondering, I'm using my iPhone and the cinematic mode for the outside shots. That's how you get the depth of field, and you get HDR as well.